What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to BeDistinct. Today we are going to be doing something questionable, but before I do that, thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's video. I just want to say that I want to get some of you guys' opinions. So alright, anyways guys, I'm planning on getting some new rims. I want to get some new wheels. So I currently have two 45s in the back, two 25s in the front, and I want to switch up to 255 and 275 in the back, and I want to get some new rims. And here's a picture of the rims. Let me know what you guys think. I really want some of you guys' opinions down in the comment section below, and let me know if I should cop them. They're like $1,300 for the set. I'm really excited. I think they look absolutely beautiful, and I think it'll be a great add to the vehicle and to the channel overall. But besides that, let's get on to today's video and let's get started. Alright guys, so today we are going to be installing, hopefully if all goes right. My dad couldn't be here. Usually he helps me with all this stuff because he has a ton of experience and stuff like that. But today I'm going to try to, you know, take lead and hopefully install this. But if you guys take a look down here, we got this like a front lip for the bumper. It's like a front like carbon fiber lip, but it's not really carbon fiber, it's just rubber. I know it's kind of questionable and whatsoever, but I was like, hey, you know, I don't got a lot of money and stuff like that, and I think maybe it will look good. If not, the worst thing that can happen, I just wasted like, what, it was like 25 bucks, and I just throw it away. Like, it's not a big deal, but I just want to see how it looks. Hopefully this all goes right. I saw some install videos on YouTube, and some people installed it bad, some people installed it good. But apparently you need to heat this up so it can mold to the bumper. But hopefully everything goes all right. The front bumper from the G35 doesn't look all that bad. So without further ado, let's go put in the car inside the garage and let's get this install ready and see how the final result ends up. We're gonna head on to the garage, but before I do, I want to give a huge or just quick shout out. I want to shout out Rio McCusker. He's from Scotland. A shout out to you, man. That's pretty awesome that you support me from all the way over there. And Patricio Patino. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, thank you guys so much. So without further ado, we're gonna put in the car and hopefully get started. I'm gonna leave this in the sun because this has to get heated or like, you know, like warmed up so that it can mold, apparently, from all the install videos. So let's just lay this in the sun for. Just gonna leave it there on the ground for a couple seconds. I mean, like a couple minutes, just so that it warms up and stuff like that. Alright guys, so you guys already, if you guys ever decide to get one of these, I'll let you guys know if you guys should at the end of the video once I see the result. But you guys should always know, always clean the bumper where it's going to be installed. And if you guys look all the way on the side here, can you like crouch? So my dumbass, we were parked and I was close to the sidewalk. Watch out where I was going, and I ended up freaking going over the sidewalk, and you know damn well this ain't no damn monster truck. So this thing ended up freaking scraping, ended up messing up my wrap here in the corner, and it just like broke the bumper. And then I have people here telling me I should lower the car, and trust me, I freaking love the look. Trust me, I love the look of like a lowered car. I freaking love it, but I'm having nightmares just as low as this is, you know? And imagine if I lowered even more, I would freaking die. Like, I wouldn't go nowhere, like over the speed bumps, over every little thing. And then plus, since I'm gonna get 275 tires in the back, I don't even think those would fit if I lowered my car or without rolling the fenders or something like that. So alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start installing. I'm gonna start by I don't want to peel off the double tape it has, the 3M. We're gonna go ahead and use masking tape and just kind of tape it and mold it. And once we mold it, we're gonna go ahead, take off the double-sided tape, and then go ahead and install it. You want to cut, I was talking to my dad earlier, and he said to cut triangles around the corner so that they're able to bend. We'll see how that, we're gonna try to mold it without doing the triangles, and if not, we're gonna do the triangles. But besides that, let's get on started. Alright guys, so we have our masking tape, our scissors. I let it sit in the sun. The sun's pretty strong right now. I let it sit for like, I say like 5 to 10 minutes, and it's nice and hot right now. It's already warmed up, so it should be able to mold easy. But let's go ahead, take this over here to the shade, and let's try to mold it as fast as possible. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead, remove the double-sided tape, and start installing this sucker. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but hey, freaking do this, bro. Let's go. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, low-key.
Why don't you just lift your back?
Cause, nigga, I gotta learn. I ain't gonna have a dad forever.
Cause I'm your dad. I'm your dad.
Alright, so we're gonna try to stick it as firm as possible, like right here.
What's it supposed to, how is it supposed to go?
Can you toss me the scissors, babe? Oh, no, never mind. Alright, babe. Here we go. You recording?
Yes.
Alright, guys, so far so good. Oh my gosh, don't use that much masking tape. Not bad, not bad, right? And then we still have screws that we're gonna install, so it shouldn't be falling off. But it looks like the tape is really strong. I was able to bend it real good, yeah. So let's continue with the other side. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The left side, this side I'm about to do, didn't mold as good as the right side, so it might be a little bit more complicated on this side, but hey, let's go in with a positive attitude. You want to make sure these things are on the flattest surfaces ever, and you want to make sure it covers a lot of the surface area. As long as the tape has to cover a lot of the car, because if it only covers half the tape, it's not gonna be as strong. And then, as you guys can see on this side, I showed you guys the bumper on this corner. I messed it up, and I don't know if it's gonna stick good, but alright guys, now I'm just gonna kind of go around the splitter and just kind of hold it for like 5 seconds on every side, and so I can assure it that it sticks on real good. We're gonna go ahead and cut the other side. Nice clean cut. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I was able to install it. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. Well, of course we're gonna go ahead and get the screws and put some screws, but for right now, take a look. Take a look. It doesn't look that bad. Quick little things I want to say. Let it heat up in the sun. I think it helped mold the rubber piece. You really get to mold it once you take out the double-sided tape and you get to go piece by piece. But if you want to do it with masking tape, it's not gonna look as pretty. Just use the masking tape kind of as a guideline. Let it mold a little bit, and then once you guys actually start taking the double-sided tape, that sucker sticks on real good. It's real hard tape, and that's what I was expecting, because you know it's going in front of your bumper, and if it falls off, bad things could happen. So it has to be a strong tape, and it was indeed very strong. And then you could go piece by piece, as you guys saw in the video earlier, and you guys can start molding it. It was very it was somewhat not as hard as I thought it would be. I was able to mold it real good, nice clean cuts at the end. And we're gonna go ahead and put some screws, just, you know, you need that double, it's like the insurance, you know, you gotta back up just in case anything bad happens. So we're gonna go ahead and get the screws, install them, and that'll be it for today. So let's go ahead and grab the screws. Alright guys, so the box actually came with 6 screws. They're like the cross screws, they have their self thread, and we got our drill, and we're gonna go ahead under. They have 6, so I'm just gonna put them evenly, you know, 3 on the left side, 3 on the right side. Alright guys, so I didn't freaking think this through. The car is low enough that the drill doesn't fit in. I don't know why I think that through. Luckily I have a jack over here. We're gonna go ahead and lift up the car a little. This is the final product. I put in the screws. I think it came out alright. Tell me what you guys think about these. Like, I don't know, some people said you cut like the tip, the triangle, to make it look, I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below. I know there's a guy who did it. I saw a guy on YouTube do the same thing on his, I don't know if it was like an Altima or whatever, but he said he wanted it for like a splitter, so like it can protect his bumper, but his bumper was already like super messed up, and there was no way he was sticking that on there. He ended up putting it, he did a bad job. Like, it was just all bad, and I guess he just wanted it for protection or something. But I tried to do my best. I hope it turned out all right. It didn't turn out that bad as I thought it would be. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's kind of questionable because it's like a universal splitter. It's rubber, it's whatever. But I think it looks freaking awesome. I like it. I have another piece going. I got some like side skirts that I got. Not the whole thing, but like the corner side skirts. I got some rear bumper kind of, you guys will see when it comes. One comes in today, one comes in like in 2 weeks or something like that, but I'll let you guys know when, I'll make a video when all that comes out. And like I said, I'm working on those wheels. I have to, yeah, so I got 2 25s in the front, I got 2 45s in the back. I want to get 2 75s in the back, 2 55s in the front. And like I said, look at these rims right here. There's rims. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Let me know down in the comment section below. I really want to get them for the whole set, for the tires and the wheels. It comes out to a total of like $1,900, including taxes and shipping and everything. So I think it's not a bad. Oh, there she goes. She's mad because all that food could go towards food. But hey, man, like, yeah, but yeah. Oh, yeah, but hey, I think it'll be a great add to the car. As you guys see, I painted my rims bronze, but I don't think it's cutting it. And these rims I found, dude, they're absolutely gorgeous. I put in a poll on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, it's at BeDistinct, just like the channel. I put in a poll, and 60% said yes, 40% said no. But then again, all the people that said yes were like car enthusiast people. All the people that said no were obviously just like other people. So you guys can see how it's somewhat biased, but I feel like I'm a car enthusiast. I love cars, especially supercars. But I definitely want to pimp out my whip. So let me know down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as you guys can see with the final look here, it didn't end up that bad. It's actually not bad. So tell me what you guys think. I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.